my distinguished colleagues, the report on a bill for an act to establish the Federal Oil and Gas Hospital, Benikrukru, Delta State, 2025, SB 847. The Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, at its sitting on Tuesday, 8th of July, 2025, read for a second time the bill for an act to establish the Federal Oil and Gas Hospital, Benikrukru, Delta State, 2025 SB 847, and referred same to the Committee on Health, Secondary and Tertiary for further legislative action. This bill, sponsored by Senator Joel Onawokbo Thomas of Delta South, seeks to, among other things, establish the Federal Oil and Gas Hospital to provide for comprehensive medical services for workers in the oil and gas industry, as well as communities affected by oil and gas operations and explorations. In carrying out this assignment, the committee adopted all the requisite methodology. The bill received overwhelming support from a wide array of stakeholders at the public hearing. Mr. President, my distinguished colleagues, it is on record that workers in the oil and gas industry, most especially the host communities, are often exposed to all manner of hazards resulting from gas exploration activities. These workers and the host communities face the challenges of terminal illnesses, cancer, injuries requiring the attention of medical expertise, specialized medical personnel, skilled occupational health, and environmental medicine. The neglect of these groups has led to the emergence of agitations and restive activities in the Niger Delta region, thereby hampering socio-economic development of the region in particular and the country at large. The hospital's proposed location is Delta State, home to many crude oil exploration activities in the Niger Delta. The hospital will provide specialized medical services for workers involved in oil and gas operations and explorations in the country, as well as their host communities, by providing unhindered access to adequate and quality health care services and facilities. The hospital will provide a wide range of emergency care, occupational health services, and will reduce downtime in medical attention and treatment. Mr. President, my distinguished colleagues, after a clause-by-clause consideration of the bill, the committee recommends that the bill be approved as recommended. The committee greatly appreciates the President of the Senate, the Deputy President of the Senate, and the entire Senate leadership, and all my distinguished colleagues for the opportunity given to us to serve in this capacity. I hereby submit. Thank you, sir.
To second the motion that this bill, as read by my colleague, distinguished Senator Ipalibo Harry, be accepted and made to go for the next reading. This bill is important because it's going to solve the problems of members of the host communities where oil and gas are being exploited. The workers of the companies, when they are sick, they are flown by helicopters and other fast means to take them to places of healing. But the natives always suffer from negligence. And therefore, this bill is apt, is very appropriate, and I feel that it should be given an accelerated, given the approval of the flight of the speed of light.
So you have no objection?
Excellency?
You have no objection?
No objection. I support the bill. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you. Leader of the Senate. Benikrukru, Establishment Bill 2025, and approved as follows. Long title as recommended. Number of clauses 1 to 17 as recommended. Interpretation clause on clause 18 as recommended. Short title on clause 19 as recommended. Explanatory memorandum as recommended. Is this a true reflection of what transpired in the Committee of the Whole? Leader of the Senate. Leader of the Senate. May wish